Hey beauties, it's Nikea here, and I'm here to share with you some new skincare products that I have been trying out. But before we get into this video, if you haven't already, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button. Once you do that, that bell notification button's gonna pop up. Click that so that you never miss an upload. Join the club. Again. Keep it real. The past few days I've been trying out these products here from Haveda. I have the exfoliating facial cleanser, the eye tight uplift gel, and the day lotion. Let me show you all how I used these products. Hey beauties, it's Nikea here, and I am trying out some new skincare this morning. I decided to simplify it, and I'm just gonna take you all along with me. Alright, so first I'm gonna start off with the exfoliating facial cleanser. It said it gently exfoliates to reveal radiant looking skin. It cleanses without over drying and it's non-irritating, and it is 98.9% natural. Allow it to sit for 1 minute, then rinse with warm water, and you can use this twice daily, morning and evening. And these are the little jojoba beads on the inside. And the instructions say just to wet your skin with warm water and gently rub cleanser into face and neck until slight foaming appears. And I'm actually going to be using my Duvolle spin brush. The smell is very it smells natural. It smells like, it reminds me of oats and honey, and it smells like there's some essential oils in there. And how I apply my cleanser, I put a little bit on my brush, and I'm letting it seep down in there a little bit. And whoop! I'm brushing it on my face. And then I turn my brush on. And the ingredients include organic aloe leaf juice, manuka mel, jojoba seed oil beads, organic grapefruit essential oil, organic orange essential oil. So this is definitely a lightweight cleanser. It has a loose consistency. I like the way that it's foaming. And you want to make sure that you apply this to your neck. Don't forget about your neck in your skincare. And I definitely like this for morning cleansing because overnight you're really just sweating and probably just getting the dirt and the oil off of your face, the natural sebum, and any dirt or anything from your pillow or your clothes or whatever, sweat and stuff like that. And I typically wash my face for 1 minute to make sure that the products are able to penetrate my pores. Alright, this says let sit on your face for 1 minute, so I'm gonna let this sit. I actually feel a little tingling right now. Alright, I'm setting my timer on my watch for 1 minute. Alright, timer's done. So after washing your face, you want to pat it dry. You don't want to rub your skin because that can irritate it. So the next step in my routine is I tone, and I use witch hazel. I just take it on my cotton round like that, and what I've been doing lately is just pressing it into my skin. Next in my morning routine is my serums, and in the morning I use vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and then what I'll do, spread it around and just begin to massage it and press it into my skin. And after using that cleanser, my skin does feel nice and smooth. I feel like it looks brighter. It wasn't a drying cleanser at all. It felt very moisturizing and hydrating, and I believe that is due to the manuka honey. Now next from Haveda, I have the Eye Tighten Uplift Gel with collagen. It is to brighten and smooth the under eye area. Apply some on my fingers. Whoop. That's the consistency. And this also has organic aloe leaf juice in it, organic lavender flower essential oil, cucumber oil, organic holy basil leaf extract, sunflower seed oil, sweet almond oil. Gently apply under and around the eyes. And I learned from Jackie I actually put my eye gel on my eyelids as well. So it says allow it to dry naturally, but I'm gonna take my jade roller and massage it in. All right, the last product that I got from Haveda is the last step in my skincare routine, which is to moisturize. Very, very important to moisturize your skin and to help seal in all those products. This is the Day Lotion Intense Hydration with Manuka Honey. So the only thing about this product is that there is no SPF in it. I will add some SPF after the fact. It includes organic aloe leaf juice, coconut oil, sunflower seed oil, lemongrass essential oil, peppermint essential oil, cucumber fruit extract, licorice root powder, horsetail powder, vitamin E, manuka. All right, so I'm gonna keep using these products for the next week and I'll come back and update y'all on how my skin is progressing. All right, y'all, it's time for some nighttime skincare.
Okay. Oh, baby, I'm satisfied, even if you're not just mine. Can you rock for me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Oh, no. Stopping me. I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking, baby.
That's it for my nighttime skincare. So I've been using this cleanser morning and night. It says it gently exfoliates the skin and it cleanses without drying, and it definitely lives up to that. I like the fact that it does suds up. It has a very loose. I really like using it. After using it and washing my face with it, my face does not feel dried out. My face actually feels moisturized, hydrated, but it also feels clean. I've used it after wearing makeup. I've used it on a bare face, and my skin gets clean. It feels refreshed, and I even feel like after using it, my skin has a little bit of a glow to it. Now this glow right here is because of highlighter, but you can see that my skin looks glowing after I've used it to wash my face. The next step, so I do have the Eye Tight Uplift Gel with collagen. Y'all, I wanted to update you on the Eye Tight from Haveda. I've been putting it on and I'd be like, man, it's drying my eyes out. But no, it literally gives a tightened feeling to my under eyes. So like it works immediately. That's crazy. That's what it's supposed to do. It's like literally tightening underneath my eyes so I don't have, you know, like eye bags and all that stuff, which thankfully I don't have too much of. And this has made my skin look really good. Right now I am wearing makeup, but I don't have on any foundation. I just have on a little bit of a loose setting powder just to even out my skin tone. But my skin is just, it's doing so well. And I like the fact that it is natural. I like the fact that this is simple skincare, because I was at a point where I got too convoluted, if you will, was doing too much, and it was so many steps to the point where I just didn't want to do my skincare routine. But this makes it so simple, so easy, something that I want to do every day and every night, and something that I enjoy, and these products help me to do that. And the last product that I have is the Day Lotion. It's infused with honey, and I really like honey for skincare and hair care. This lotion is thicker than most. There's a consistency, especially for a day lotion, but do you all see that glow that it gives on my skin? This is just from putting that lotion on. So I love that my skin is hydrated. The only thing about this is I wish it had SPF in it, because during the day, even though I'm in the house, I like a moisturizer that has SPF to protect my melanin. I love that this is simple skincare. I love the fact that it is natural. Y'all have seen my skincare journey on this channel. I went from just oil washing my skin to developing this whole 12-step skincare routine to now I'm at a point where I just want to simplify things and do right by my skin. I will say my favorite product from the ones that I have is the Eye Tight Gel, because I've been searching all over for eye creams and stuff, and the ones that I've been using, I haven't been able to use them morning and night because they irritate my eyes. But this one has not irritated my eyes at all. And y'all can see in the clips that it's working. My skin is glowing, it's looking healthy, I feel good, and I look good. If you all cannot tell, I love these products. I will definitely include information in the description box below, so make sure that you check them out and let them know that Nikea sent you. But that is it for today's video, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure you go down below, click that subscribe button, and right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. I'll be sure to see you in the next one, beauties. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, gadget.